Elevated middle.
Probably sounded good.
It probably did.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions never soared so deep. Falling down through cloudy skies. Feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
So we're gonna take the turbo out of this one, put it in the other one. Try to make this one basically all stock again, because I think I can get more money out of it that way. Okay, so I just want to show you really quick why you should not buy a cheap CX Racing turbo kit, because this sucks. Alright, so these are the expensive, this is the expensive manifold. It goes like down and swirls around. We'll see if you can see that. So for the manifold, the downpipe, the turbo oil lines and stuff, I think it's $1,500, and this doesn't even fit. Like, you can't fit a ratchet on there because it's too close to the manifold itself. So that sucks. Look inside here, alright? So this turbo has only been on the car for like, I don't know, I think the guy did it end of last year, so it's been a few months, and this already has a bunch of rust in it. And now look at the turbo. The turbo has so much rust in it. So that's definitely marked down there for CX Racing. That freaking sucks. But anyway, cheap turbo kit. I guess this is what you'll come to expect. Ton of rust in the turbo though. Look at that. That's ridiculous. So here's the setup I have going right now. Pulled off the bigger injectors, intercooler piping's on, and the sensors are all connected. Connects up underneath, pretty clean. And then over here is where we're having problems. This is where the intercooler piping ends, and it's gonna go connect to that one. But before we do that, we have to rotate. Here's my finger. We have to rotate it over that way more, because the pipe has a bend in it, and that's how it's supposed to be run, I guess. And I'll show you my other problem I'm running into. So, in order to get the turbo to fit with the intercooler piping, I had to disconnect the power steering line right here. And now it's not going back on, really. So, that's also an issue. So, swapping out the wheels, got the matching set now, so that should be sweet. Oh. Alright, old one. New one. Haha. Yes. Now I just have to finish the turbo and then we can drive it. There she is. Okay. I want you to see how ghetto this battery is, okay? This is how I got the car, so don't judge me too hard. That is a penny that's been smashed on it to make sure that the battery fits. Slightly an issue. I'm excited. Look at the intercooler on it. Stealthy little tank.